Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Language Fluent. Je suis Ria, votre enseignante de langue française ici et aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les parties du corps. Les parties du corps. Alright, so hello everybody and welcome back to Language Fluent. I am Ria, your language instructor at Language Fluent, and today we are going to learn about the parts of the body. Les parties du corps. Alright, so let's break it down and understand it more nicely. So, les parties is the parts du corps. What is it? Corps. Body. Corp is a body. Right? Corp is a body. Then we have the literal meaning, the literal translation is body parts. Sorry. Body parts. Alright. So guys, let's begin and learn it one by one. Alright. So first we have le visage. Le visage. Le visage is a face. Visage is a face. The face which is visible to the people in front of us is a visage. Alright? It's a face. La tête. La tête is a head. Alright? La tête. La tête is a head. Then we have les yeux. Les yeux. So here I am pronouncing it something differently. I am combining this S and Y and making a sound of Z. Les yeux. Les yeux. The same way you are going to pronounce, that is les yeux. Alright, not les yeux separately. It's like combined les yeux. Alright, so it's a plural form of eyes. Les yeux is eyes. It's a plural form. You can have a singular form of eye as well, that is
l'œil. L'œil. L'œil.
Alright. So it's a singular form of eyes. Eye. It's an eye. It's eyes. Les yeux.
L'œil. L'œil.
Then we have la tête. La tête, there is a circumflex kind of a thing. It's an accent of French. You will learn it further in further classes. So for now you have to learn it that it's accent which is named as circumflex. So you will be further more elaborate. I will be further more elaborating in further classes. Alright. So for now it's la tête, les yeux. Then we have la bouche. La bouche. La bouche is a mouth. Bouche is a mouth. The mouth which is containing lips as well as teeth, everything. It's a mouth. Alright. Then we have le menton. Le menton. Le menton. Menton is a chin. Alright. Le menton. Then we have les joues. Les joues. That is cheeks. Les joues is a cheeks. Cheeks is also a plural form. That's why we are using the plural form of this les. We are not using le or la. We are using les joues. Alright. Then we have le ventre. Le ventre. Le ventre. That is belly. Ventre is a belly. Alright. Then we have la peau. La peau. That is skin. The skin, the upper layer of our body is skin. It is also included in body parts in French. It is a complete package of everything we are having in our body or on our body. That is why I am explaining everything here as well. Alright. La peau is the skin. Then we have les cheveux. Les cheveux. Les cheveux is a hair. You can use it like les cheveux blondes. Les cheveux blondes is brown hair. That is the blonde texture of hair. Blonde texture of hair is called as les cheveux blondes. Les cheveux noirs, that is black hair. And also for eyes as well, you can use les cheveux verts. Les cheveux verts, that is the green eyes. And also les cheveux noirs, black eyes. Les cheveux marron, not maroon eyes. I'm really sorry. les cheveux bruns. Okay, so brown eyes, and also les cheveux blonde is blonde hair, that is brown hair. So you can make sentences like this only, alright? Le sourcil, le sourcil, le sourcil, le sourcil. It's quite a typical word. You need to understand that how to pronounce it. That is le sourcil. We will not pronounce L here. L is silent. That is sour. Répétez après moi. Sourcil. Sourcil is brows. That is eyebrows. Alright. Then we have le nez. Le nez. Le nez. That is nose. Alright. On le répète. We are going to repeat it once again. Le visage. Le visage. La tête. La tête. Les yeux. Les yeux.
l'œil, l'œil,
La bouche. La bouche. La bouche. Le menton. Le menton. Les joues. Les joues. Le ventre. Le ventre. La peau. La peau. La peau. Les cheveux. Les cheveux. Le sourcil. Le sourcil. Le nez. Le nez. So alright, these are few words. Let's proceed with some more words of body parts. So here we have some more words with us. So let's learn it. What all these are. La lèvre. La lèvre is a lip. Is a singular lip is being called as la lèvre. Les lèvres. Les lèvres is the pair of lips. Alright. Les dents. Les dents. Obviously teeth is plural, so that's why we're using les with dents. Alright. So have you remembered any word related to dents? Great, that's really great. Le dentiste. Le dentiste. Dentist is a dentist. So that's why les dents is similar to that word only. Alright. Les oreilles. Les oreilles. Les oreilles. So here also we are combining Z, S and O, and we are making the sound of Z here. Les oreilles. Les oreilles. Alright. That is ear. Ears is, here the plural form only, not the singular form only. So that's why we are using les oreilles. Les oreilles. Alright. So now in the 15th form we have le front. Le front. Le front. That is forehead. Front is a forehead. Then we have la langue. La langue. Langue is a tongue. La langue. Then we have l'épaule. L'épaule. That is shoulder. L'épaule. Shoulder. La poitrine. La poitrine. La poitrine. That is chest. La taille. La taille. LL is not pronounced here. That is not taille. It's taille, which is making a sound of Y, and we are making it like this. Taille. Taille. That is waist. Le bras. Le bras. That is arm. La main. La main is hand. La jambe. La jambe. That is leg. Leg, complete leg is being called as la jambe. Then we have le pied. Le pied is foot. L'orteil. L'orteil. L'orteil is toe. Le cou. Le cou. Le dos. Dos is a back, complete back. Le dos. Le dos. Le coude. Le coude. Coude is elbow again. Le coude. Le coude. Le doigt. Le doigt is finger. And obviously the plural form is les doigts. Les doigts as fingers. On les répète, we are going to repeat it once again. La lèvre, les lèvres, les dents, les dents, les oreilles, les oreilles, les oreilles, le front, la langue, l'épaule, l'épaule, la poitrine, la taille, le bras, la main, la jambe, le pied, l'orteil is toe, le cou, le dos, le coude, le doigt. So c'est tout. Alors c'est tout. Also you can make few sentences as well with these words like le doigt de mon cousin est petit. Le doigt de mon cousin est petit. That is the finger that is le doigt de mon cousin, that is of my cousin, est petit, that is small. Alright. You can make a sentence with les dents. Les dents. Ma mère a les dents blanches. Ma mère a les dents blanches. That is my mother, ma mère, a les dents, have a white teeth. Not the teeth white, because always I have already explained you that the colors are always after the noun. Les dents blanches. Alright. Then also we can make sentence with les lèvres. Les lèvres de Pauline est rouge. The lips, that is the lips of Pauline is rouge, that is red in color. So like this you can make many more sentences and much more things you would want to. So that's all for today. C'est tout. Alors, and also if you like the video, don't forget to, as I already told you, as I always tell you, that don't forget to like, share and subscribe as well. And also don't forget to press the bell icon right below my video. There are few contact numbers as well. You can contact on those numbers anytime. And also there is a form right below my video. You can fill that for the complete course of Français, le Français, that is the French with us, that is language fluent. And also we offer the translation and interpretation services as well. You can go for that as well. So merci beaucoup. Bisous. Alors, au revoir.